Today we'll talk about how can you enable music on lock screen on your Visha Visha player app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down, then you come here to music on lock screen. Just click on it here, come to music unlock screen, click in this sign, like you see here, click here. So you just click here on go to settings here, and can you turn it on your up here. So you just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time with us to open here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here to looking for Visha player app, click on it here. Then it's going to, when you go back, it's going to turn on with us here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.